Hello, my name is Quentin McCulloch and I would like to introduce you to BizDynamics, which is the first in a series of apps we are launching under the bizzbean banner. BizDynamics is a business learning simulator. It shows how the dynamics of contribution, expenses, asset levels and funding instruments impact the financial results of a business. The app consists of 9 pages. The overview page guides the user through the workings of the app. In summary, it shows that there are 8 specific steps that need to be completed. Each step has 4 common components, and the page contains definitions of terms used in the various financial reports. The setup step requires information on the business, including its name, start date, and details of the working days to calculate the number of trading days in each month of the forecast period. It also requires the base details on interest, VAT, tax, and the depreciation rates. The employment step requires information about employees in the business, which includes position, numbers, their cost center allocation, start and end dates, and their monthly base costs. This step requires details of the operating expenses in the business, including the expense type, start and end dates, monthly base cost, its categorization as to either fixed or variable, and a percentage to be allocated to cost of sales if necessary. The assets step requires that the fixed assets are categorized for depreciation rate purposes. They must be allocated to a cost center, and it also provides an option for leased assets. In this step, we capture details on income streams which may not be associated to the primary trading model of the business. This app uses the unit sales module in the BizModel suite. It has only one item and requires the monthly start base for the number of unit sales and its cost and selling price. These details complete the information required to present a trading account, a unit price recovery calculator, and a break-even calculation. The funding calculator step facilitates funding decisions. It presents the monthly bank balance for the forecast period and options on how to fund the business. These options include the working capital elements such as the number of days inventory, receivables and payables. Long-term funding options include share capital, shareholders' equity loans, and term loans. These assumptions can be modified in the Base Assumptions tab. The Reports page brings everything together. The various Dynamics tabs explain the details of their corresponding reports. The reports include an income statement, a balance sheet, and a cash flow statement. Each report is supported by important key ratios. This short video is an introduction to the BizDynamics app. For more details and explanations on the workings of each step, go to bizzbean.com and look for the appropriate tutorial.